Now, and the race is on. One slow out promise. It's Hazard coming from the outside, moving up his backyard bully, rushing up, singing victory on the further outside is the chosen one, rushing up his Gondor Core duo alongside Summit Point, Godation, Donori inside Celestial, Super Elegant, Princess Ashley, Simple Beauty, Not to Princess, and Promise is running in 14th. Zed coming, Gondor, Core Duo, Danori inside is singing victory. Collation running in fifth by Sam, 2 lengths rushing up backyard, bully the chosen one. Super Elegant or further outside Summit Point, Princess Ashley, Simple Beauty, Celestial, Promise, and Nato Princess now running in 14th. It coming by some 2 lengths. Gondor in second. And nearing the last 150 meters more to run. It coming by some 2 lengths, followed by Backyard Bully. Goldation is on the outside. It coming, Goldation on the outside, and Backyard Bully. It coming, and finally, it coming, Goldation, Backyard Bully, Princess Ashley, close. The chosen one, Gondor.